Hello there, this is Ademola Oladoja, a Forex trader since 2007. Along the line, the things I learned, I love sharing with fellow traders and for those who are new into Forex and they want to understand how the business works. In this video, I want to show you how you can get 40 pips from the Forex market on a daily basis. This is the system I've shown some traders in year 2009. That's when I first discovered this system. And now 2018, I did some updates on it, and you can have access to them at the download button below this video. This is very good if you're a beginner and you are not yet conversant with chart reading. It doesn't care whether the market is going up or going down. You get your 40 pips daily. And if you're also a busy person, you don't have time to sit down in front of the computer every day, you know, for a long time, just set the trade, the opening of the market, and by the end of the day, maybe 8 o'clock, you go ahead and check what has happened. And in any ways, whether the market is bullish, you make your 40 pips. If the market is bearish, you make your 40 pips. In this system, the first thing you need to do is to demarcate the previous day from the next day, that is the following day. So let's look at this. This is a daily chart. I'm going to change it to 4 hours chart. Now today is 21st of November. Yesterday was 20th of November. So we're going to take the vertical line. This is the vertical line, and we look at it. This is today is 21st, so we're looking for the 20th. Can you see? This is 21st. This is 0 hours. If you look at this very well, this is 0 hours. That's 12 o'clock midnight now, which means this is the first candle of the day. So I'm going to change this into 30 minutes charts. Okay, so this is the first candle of the day. The next thing you do is to do another horizontal line. Well, the first one was vertical line, the next one is a horizontal line. Use the horizontal line to split the candle into two. Yeah, split the candle into two. Now you have gotten your point X. Right now this line is called the point X. So I'm going to come here, take this text and write X. This is our point X, capital X, and let's give it yellow so that I can easily see it. Okay, and make it a bit big. 18 points is good. This is our point X. Let me put it here, point X. Now the next thing, we're going to take this crosshair tool. Yes, if you are using mobile, you may not be able to do this. It's best, if you want to trade Forex, you have a laptop. A laptop is far much better than mobile in many ways. Okay, let's just continue. This is the crosshair tool. I took the crosshair tool from here, then I click on this X line, this red line I call line X. I move forward to make sure I get 40 pips. This 40 pips, 40. Now the middle figure, which is 408, well, the 8 is a fractional pip pricing, so the actual thing we are looking for is 40. So that's 40 pips. Now what we can see at the last number is 0.99897. 0.99897. So you go and get your vertical line, your horizontal line, 0.99897. I'm not seeing this clearly. Let me make it okay. 0.99877. No, 0.998. Let me try and check that again. 37, 39, 40. Okay, good. 0.99891. Okay, let's do that. 0.99892. Okay, let's leave it like that. 0.99892. Now let's do the same. Let's come here, click on A, and call this point X1. So I'm going to call this X1, capital X1. Click on it. That's our point X1. Then the next thing is I'm going to create another one below point X, but that'll be our point X2. So let's quickly do that. Come here, click it down, and get your 40 pips. 40 pips. Where are you? 40. Okay, good. 403. Now we have 0.99091. So let's quickly do that. 0.99091, 0.9900809. Okay, let's leave it like that. Now I'm going to give this another one, .x2. So let's click on this. I'm going to click on this and call this x2, capital X and 2. Okay, good. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll repeat the process by coming here and calculating another 40 pips upward. We have a 41 pips, 40. Okay, good. 407, which is 1.00297. So I'm coming here, grab the horizontal line, 1.00297, 2627290294. Good, perfect. I got it there. 1.00297, and I come here and put my tag. This is x3, and come click on it. Okay, so we have our x, x1, x2. Now we have x3 at the top. We need an x4 at the bottom. So let's quickly do that. I'm going to come here, the cross here again, and draw 40, 36, 40. Now that's 0.98689, 0.98689. So I'm going to draw it, 0.98689. Where are you? 88. Let's leave it like that. Now, and that will be our .x4. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give it a name. Click here and give it .x4. So capital X and 4. Click on OK. Good. Now this .x is the neutral position. This .x2 is the place where you enter a sell stop. This .x1 is the place where you enter a buy stop. So I want to set the trade so that you can see how it goes. And by the way, if you are not familiar with this MetaTrader client terminal, or you are new to Forex, there's something special I would like to show you. I will give you an offer by the end of this video. Okay, let's quickly do the orders. I'm going to place the order right now. So what we do is we click on new order. Now there are two types of orders. We have the instant execution and we have the pending order. So we're going to use pending order in this case. Now this is how we set our trade. .x1 is entry point on a buy. So we're going to just use .x1, which is 0.99892. So what we're going to do is going to enter 0.99892 in this box and select a buy stop. Buy stop. Then you type it there, 0.99892. Yeah, 892. Now your take profit will be .x3. What is .x3? .x3 is 1.00297. So let's do it. Take profit is 1.00297. Now what of your stop loss? Your stop loss is .x4. .x4 says 0.98688. So let's go ahead. 0.98688. Good. So we're true for the first aspect of it. Just click on place and it's done. The next thing we do, we're going to click on new order one more time. This time we're using what they call a pending order as well, and we're selecting a sell stop. The first one we did was a buy stop. This is going to be a sell stop. Now it is a sell stop. Now what do? Entry point is .x2. So what's the value of x2? 0.99090. So let's quickly do that. What do we do? Okay, let's use 0.99. Coming 0.99090. Am I correct? Okay, good. Now stop loss. What's our stop loss? X3 is our stop loss, which is 1.00297. 1.00297. So let's do that. 1.00297. The take profit zone. Let's do that. What's the take profit? Take profit should be point X4, which is 0.98688. So 0.98688. 0.98688. I think we are good. Then click on place. Good. So the trade have been set. Right now, you are not entering a buy, you are not entering a sell. You are waiting for the market to trigger your position. Now, how does this work? I'm going to shift this chart to the back. Sorry, that's not what I'm looking for. Shift it. Good. I've shifted this chart to the back so you can see what's going on. What will happen is this. The logic is that the price could come down and touch your point X2, continue coming down, take your profit at point X4. That's good news because you have made 40 pips. Another thing that could happen, the price may go up, touch your point X1 and move to point X3 to touch point X3 and gives you 40 pips. So whether the market is going up, you are making 40 pips. Market is going down, you are making your 40 pips. Now, there are two worst case scenarios that could happen. This is the worst case scenario. The worst case scenario is that the price could come to point X1 and the price refuse to reach point X3, then come back again to touch point X2. You understand? When it touches point X2, that's the worst case scenario. And what happens is that the trade enters the edge. You're not making profit, you're not making losses. Enters the edge till the market finds direction and touches either point X4 or point X3, either of the two. Now, what happens in the worst case scenario? What happens in the worst case scenario is that you lose 80 pips that day. The day that thing happens, you lose 80 pips. This doesn't really happen frequently in the pairs that this particular system works with. It doesn't happen frequently. I want you to back test this and see how the trade is. Just back test the system and see how many times it happens in a month. Do your research and see how it works. So you can give this a try in your trading and let me know how you experience this. You can try it on your demo accounts or try it on your cent account if you have a cent account. Well, there are a lot of things that we still need to talk together about. If you like these videos and you want more, you can always get in touch with me, and through the PDF you are going to download below this video, which explains the systems even more. You can get a link which you can click on and you can have a personal conversation with me. So I hope you can give it a try. I wish you success in your trading, and let me know how it works for you. Bye bye.